Hello, Scott from Wessex Blades. Thanks for joining me again. Everybody new, welcome to my channel. I'm going to unbox a new acquisition. It's supposed to be one of these Connect Ridge Monkey double pans with the handles that actually come out as opposed to they're still in there. So let's open it up and introduce myself to something fun. Voucher. Okay, so small zip there. So got the utensils in a sort of ribbed tray thing, the two handles, and they come apart at some point with the monkey see, monkey do, just suss that out. And buttons, got a rarer magnet on the handles, so you want the handle being like that. Push the button because you need the magnets together, so when they close up that happens. There's a lot of room in there. So, my thoughts was, rather than that, which is the utensil holder and the two handles go in there, got all that volume. If they had two like melamine plates that nested, go in there like that, they could put their utensils and their handles have a couple of bags or neoprene things to stop them rattling around, or maybe a cleaning sponge. You don't need that. Just an idea. But anyway, I'm sure they could cut. They got melamine plates. I'm sure they could come up with 2 of them, yeah. So thanks for joining me again. Scott Wessex Blades 8. Should be a couple of videos, an hour, and I'll see you on the next one.